Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and today is Bandana Day. As you can see behind me, Rocky and Claudia are doing some bandanas, so let's take a closer look. Putting a navy blank bandana on the pallet. And here is a bandana being printed. This just happens to be a one-color discharge print with 10% pigment. You'll notice it's fairly light right now. Rocky's going to go ahead and take that and put it on the belt. It's going to go through our oven here, and it is going to come out the other end. Discharge printed. Look how bright white that is. There is no feel at all to that bandana. So if you're interested in getting custom bandanas for your group, church, school, event, party, or company, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing and we're happy to help you out.